Hey guys, it's Kevin here from Voy Media, and today I will have a new landing page audit that I'm doing. This is for a brand that I saw on Facebook. I've actually never heard about them before until this ad. So it's interesting to see what they're doing. And of course, let's do a breakdown of the landing page, my thoughts on it, and let's see what they're doing right and maybe some optimizations they can do. So let's just jump right in. So the brand is called Try Source. I think that's how you say it. Meet your new ritual. Try a 30-day supply of Glow Bites for $29. Glow Bites are vitamin-infused chocolate featuring a patented plant-based collagen. For this, like I said, I've never heard about this brand before. I think this is a pretty bad headline, pretty bad call to action. Meet your new ritual. I'm not sure what that means. This is okay. I would rather them have this here and then put meet your ritual down here. Again, like this is cold traffic, and I could tell it's cold traffic just by looking at their UTM parameters. Again, Facebook, paid social. It looks like they're doing prospecting, lookalike, top of the funnel, conversion. So if people can't see, let me move a little bit. You could see it's like top of the prospecting. Let's just make it like, URL decoder. Just put it here real quick so we can take a look. But yeah, you could see it's decode. Let's just do this, clean it up a little bit. Prospecting, UTM, content, intro, overlay, studio, midland. Okay, so this is junk. You don't need this. This is just. So of course, Facebook ads, paid social, that's how they're tagging in their system. Again, this is a prospecting lookalike audience, top of the funnel, conversion ABO campaign. The content is this RG collagen infused glow, props welcome promo, whatever this thing is, some sort of promotional video. I think this is probably helpful. RG might be just like a symbol they're using. Sometimes brands put their at least agencies, they put the agency name here sometimes to see what they're running. At least for Voy Media, we typically name everything VM. So every campaign you might see from us has VM. But anyways, again, going back to this looks like a prospecting campaign. I don't really get what they're doing with this. I would change it up, like I said before. I really like this where the price is crossed out and has $29 with code welcome5. For me, this is kind of one of those tactics I tell people about. Why do you have a code when you're using Shopify? You can have the URL already encoded in there. And again, this also goes to another mistake that I see that they're doing when you press the try now. So let's hit that up right now. Try now goes to, again, I hit it already. So try now goes to the cart page and it doesn't have the discount code already applied. And then now you have to go and actually check out. I think that's just really bad. Like, just take me directly to this checkout page with the discount code already applied. And that's so easy to do. Whoever's running this, it's very simple. Just look up Shopify URL hacks, and you can automatically add a discount. And even Shopify has these things kind of built in. So I think this is bad. I make it easier for the users. So that's an update I would do there. Why Glow Bites, kind of like how it works. Yeah, this is fine. I like it well. I like this. I really like this here. Shop our bestseller. That's exactly the one thing. Actually, I think this here might be a little bit better than this one here. So, maybe try swapping it up. And then glowing reviews. This is fine. I like it. It looks good. Nutritional highlights. I'm not sure. Like, this is something I would definitely think about for the brand. Maybe this is actually more important. And so that should be up higher. This should maybe be below here. It's kind of important to see what's inside of it. So I definitely would maybe play around this and see. From where I'm looking at it, this is probably like a Shogun page or some sort of Shopify builder because it's not a subdomain. But again, it's on a slash pages, so it is a landing page. And why clean collagen? I like this FAQ. I think more brands should do it. Kind of like very helpful. So overall, I think they can play around with this part. This part is probably the most important piece that people look at. So play around with the messaging here. I would say, again, make it a little bit more direct response. Don't get so cutesy, like meet your new ritual. I'm not sure what that means. I know brands like to have these sort of slogans and sayings. And again, big companies have this, but if you're a brand new startup, you don't have that yet. Put this in your packaging, put this in like your emails. When you're trying to get cold customers, let them know what your product is. So Guys, that's it. That's all my review of this company called Source. I think they, like I said, they sell these Glow Bites, vitamin infused chocolates. Any questions or comments, feel free to email me, Kevin at Voy Media, or reach out to me on YouTube, or just drop a comment to tell me what you think of the landing page and if you agree or disagree with my thoughts. Talk to you soon. Bye.